Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be building a gaming PC under $1,500, and it's gonna be a gaming PC as well as streaming and editing PC. So it just comes down to your personal preference, what you're gonna use it for. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the parts that I've selected. So for the CPU, I've gone with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, which is a 6-core processor, and again, it's a really good CPU when it comes to price to performance, and we have 6 cores. So for editing or streaming as well, it's gonna perform really good. And yeah, so and for the motherboard, I've gone with Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus, and this motherboard is actually really good because I've actually selected this motherboard for my Ryzen 7 build also, and it did work really nice, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, so let's moving on to the memory. I've gone with Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB. If you want more memory, you can just always throw another 16GB stick. It just comes down to your personal preference, but for now I think 16GB is fine. And these are the black ones. They also come in white as well, but the theme is actually black, so yeah, that's why. And for the storage, I've selected this 970 Evo Plus, which is 500GB M.2 SSD. I didn't went overkill, like I didn't choose Samsung 980 Pro or anything like that, because it's just gonna cost more, and I don't think so it's worth it, because it's just gonna cost you around $200 for 1TB, and I think 500GB is good for now, but you can always throw another HDD or another SSD if you want. So yeah, but for now we have gone with the 500GB storage. And again, for the case, we have gone with the Corsair 275R Airflow, which is a really good looking case. And another thing is that it has a really good airflow, so you don't have to worry about heating issues or anything like that. It's a pretty open case, and yeah, it also looks good. It's a mid-tower case, and I think it's perfect for this build. Power supply is going to be from Corsair. It's a 750 watt 80 plus gold certified, again really good, and it's a 2019 version, but whatever. So again, 750 watt is good, and this power supply is actually future proof. So this power supply is actually future proof, because in future if you ever upgrade your CPU or GPU, then you won't have to change your power supply as well, because 750 watt is actually enough. And so yeah, that's about it. And now for the CPU cooler, I've gone with NZXT Kraken X53, which is really popular, and in terms of looks, it looks good, and talking about the performance, it also performs good, so you don't have to worry about that. And the last thing is the GPU. And 3060 Ti is really good if you want to play games like in 1080p, then yeah, and even in 2K if you want to play games, then 3060 Ti is a really good card. So overall, this is the build. This is what it is. So yeah guys, so yeah, that's about it. So if you have any question regarding this build, let me in the comments below. I'll be really happy to answer you. And if you simply like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.